Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tuluyan ng tinuldukan nina Elise Hoson at McCoy De Leon ang kanilang relasyon. Sa Instagram nitong madaling araw ng Biyernes, July 25, 2025, isang joint statement ang inilabas ng dalawang kapamilya stars upang i-anunsyo ang kanilang desisyon. Sa kanyang post sa Instagram, sinabi ni Elise na pangarap niya noon pa ang magkaroon ng sariling pamilya. At sa loob ng 5 taon nilang pagsasama ni McCoy, kinapitan niya ang kanyang pangarap na iyon. Saad niya, "My biggest dream in life has always been to build a family I could call mine. A home. That dream shaped me. It grounded me. And for all the beautiful 5 years, and more, that we were together, I held on to that dream with everything I had. I kept that promise, to love, to fight, to stay. That promise was what kept me going." Sinubukan daw nilang dalawa ni McCoy na matupad ito sa abot ng kanilang makakaya. Pero, panahon na raw upang pakawalan ang naturang pangarap. And truthfully, we both tried. We both held on for as long as we could. But now, we're learning to let go. Letting go of that dream, so we can finally allow a new kind of peace, growth, and healing to enter. Hindi naman daw nangangahulugang nabigo sila sa aspetong ito, dahil nabiyayaan ang kanilang pagmamahalan ng isang batang nagsisilbi pa ring tulay nilang dalawa, kahit magkaiba na ang kanilang landas na tatahakin. Ito ay ang anak nilang si Feliz. Saad pa sa post, "And letting go doesn't mean we failed. Because what we had was real. And it gave us the greatest gift. Our Feliz. There are moments when she wraps her arms around us and says, 'Ini family belongs to me. And she will always be right. No matter how life changes, we will always belong to her. Her mommy, her daddy, her family. That will never ever change.'" Ibinahagi raw nila sa publiko ang desisyong wakasan na ang kanilang relasyon upang mabigyan sila ng panahong makapaghilom mula sa sugat na nilikha nito. Hindi na raw kailangan ng espekulasyon at haka-haka tungkol sa dahilan ng kanilang paghihiwalay. Ang hiling daw nila ay respeto at pangunawa. Pagtatapos ng pahayag, "We're sharing this to honor what was. To give space for healing, for both of us and for the lives we're choosing from here on. No need for speculations, no assumptions. We simply ask for kindness and respect as this story, and how it's remembered, may one day shape what our daughter believes about love, family, and letting go. Thank you for holding space for our story. This is us, stepping into a new chapter with love, respect, and no regrets." McCoy at Elise. Ang pagtatapos ni Elise at McCoy.